Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. First off, I want to say that last week, Tuesday, we had a power outage that lasted all the way up till Saturday evening, and got the power back on finally. And I thought I'd do a what's new with the products here and what I recently bought. So, well, let's get on with it. So as you can see, it's an airbrush system. Obvious to that. I got two of these off of eBay. Um, First one is this one, which consists of cleaning tools, brushes, and stuff like that. Of course, the handbook, and you have the uh, air compressor right here, which is charged by your cell phone charger, and nice and quiet as you can see. And you can adjust the pressure like there. And comes with the charging cable. And also has the different size cups. This is the large cup right here. And we have the smaller cup. This is probably the size I'll be using more. And it did not say about the airbrush, but it does come with an airbrush, which is right here. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, and then I'm going to assemble this, and we're going to see how this sprays. Alright guys, as you can hear, I got my fan and booth ready. I'm going to turn this on, so it might get a little noisy. I just have a little airbrush cleaner in there, just to see the fan spray. So here we go. So as you can see, it's a nice little mist. And this unit right here off of eBay was actually like, I believe it was about less than $20. And that actually works pretty good. I haven't tried painting with it yet, but it sprays good. So that is one of them. And I'll do another video of the second airbrush that I found. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.